my project, I'm using an assortment of Christmas bulbs from Dollar Tree. I have some small, medium, and some very small ones, an assortment of colors, and also an assortment of textures. I'm also using 3 different colors of craft paint. They are all neutral shades. I have an espresso, it's called territorial beige, it's just kind of a tan color, and also an off-white. I'm also using some jute twine from Dollar Tree. I have some paintbrushes, a Christmas ornament. This was purchased at my local Family Dollar store. I debated on actually making this, but when I saw this for $1, I figured it would work out great for my project. And last but not least, I'm using a decorative sign that I used to have in my kitchen. I no longer have this type of decor in my kitchen, so I decided to go ahead and use this for the project. It was in the basement, and I know that I'm not going to use it in my space again. I'm also using glue sticks and my glue gun.